and welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed how I revive an old wig, how I relay it, lay down the baby hair and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in how I do that, please do continue watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and join my team, and let's get laid, or as I would like to say, snatched by Junior. Alright, so here's my wig, and I'm going to start off by detangling it with a wide tooth comb. And you sort of make sure you comb through all that hair so there's not that many knots and tangles, so when you wash it, it doesn't mat up. So I'm using my herbal essence, rosemary and herb shampoo to wash my hair. I'm only going to wash it once because you know shampoo strips the hair of its natural oils. It might be with just natural hair, but I don't like to shampoo my wigs that much either. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Trusted Made Repair and Protect conditioner and spreading that throughout the hair. I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. I'm just going to go take my dimming brush and comb through those curls. I shouldn't have threw my wig in a box like that because now it's all shady, but we're going to bring it back to life. And this is how much hair I got after I was done detangling the hair. This is what my wig looks like after. I don't know why it looks so thin right now, but I promise it's not. So I'm going to put it on, put my comb down, and adjust it on my head. Landon, excuse you for howling in the background. Just combing the hair back out the way so I can clip it back. Now that everything is out of the way, I'm going to roll the wig back and clean off my skin. So I'll use sea breeze. Then I go over that with some Bold Hold Skin Protector. For today's install, I will be using HairByErickaJ's Hold Me Down Adhesive, which is thebomb.com. I did the water test and y'all, it's legit. Seriously legit. She posted it on her page and everything. Like, I'm not even capping. This is some good glue. So I did do 3 layers. I'm only going to show one, but I literally repeat the whole process over again. Once your 3rd layer is done, you want to make sure everything's dry, clear before you start pressing your lace into it. So I start from the middle and press it in with my fingers and move my way to the sides. And after that, I go over it with a comb to help press it completely in. So I'm using the end of my comb to apply some glue to places that didn't get glued down. Don't be like me and get it on your lace because you know once you get glue on the lace it's kind of hard to get it out. But yeah, you want to make sure it's dry clear before you press your lace into it. And I'm using my blow dryer on cool to help dry out the glue so we can go ahead and press that in. You can see that little white spot of glue that didn't dry completely. That's the part that I got glue on the lace. It will dry clear once I tie it down. There are some parts that still lifted up, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut those pieces down because there's no point of like gluing down that little tiny piece of lace. My elastic band and keeping that on for about 10 minutes just to help melt everything into place. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair so we can get these curls popping. And my face is so scrunched up, like, girl, fix your face. So I'm using my BioSilk hair oil. I normally use it when I blow dry hair, but I like putting it on my curly hair. And today I wanted to do a middle part for this look. So yeah, I'm going to part right down the middle. You know, you guys, I always struggle with my middle part, but for whatever reason, I got it spot on. Taking off the elastic band, and baby, that lace is laid, but them baby hairs is not. So you already know we about to get that together. Using my Old Faithful Nairobi wrapping foam, gonna push back the hair and then swoop those baby hairs into place. You know, it's weird because I can like do the whole mousse thing on myself, but it's really hard for me to do it on my clients. I do not know why, but I feel like mousse works better on myself, but I work better with gel on my clients. Maybe one day I'll get the whole mousse thing together for everybody. But yeah, it's just the flick of the wrist, and just a whole bunch of swooping and holding. It's really hard for me to explain. It's just, I can show you better than I can tell you. So I pinned my hair up, and now I'm going to wrap my Snatch by January silk wrap around my hair to help lay the baby hairs. Now that I'm taking this off, it still was a little damp, so I went over with cool air to help fully dry my baby hair. Now I'm using the comb on my edge brush to brush out my, to comb out my baby hair to give them that soft look. So I'm wrapping my elastic band around again because I feel like one side of my hairline is really thick. So I'm going to take down my hair and just pluck it until it's thin enough for my liking. Now I'm taking my heat protecting spray and spraying that on the hairline and using my hot comb to help flatten it out. Now I'm taking my Ruby Kiss foundation and just rubbing it on my part to make it more defined. You know, I don't like a really tiny part. I need to look real. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that makeup on the part. Oh yeah, guys, my nigga came home and he brought me roses. So sweet. My man, I mean. But yeah, back to the part. And there you have it. That pretty much wraps up this tutorial. This is what your hair should look like when you're done. Laid and slayed. Like, come on, guys. Super cute, super natural, and the hair is mine, period. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, you know, join the team or whatever, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.